How to fix WoW not working. There are a few things you can try if World of Warcraft, WoW, is not working for you. 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to the internet and that you have a good signal. In the meanwhile, check if WoW server is down. If yes, you're not alone. 2. Restart your computer. This can sometimes fix problems with software and hardware. 3. Update your drivers. Outdated drivers can cause problems with games. You can update your drivers manually or use a driver updater tool. 4. Repair the game files. If the game files are corrupted, this can prevent the game from starting. To repair the game files, open the battle.net app and go to the Games and Services tab. Click on World of Warcraft and then click on Options. Click on the Scan and Repair button. 5. Uninstall and reinstall the game. If all else fails, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. This will remove any corrupted or outdated files. If you have tried all of these things and you are still having trouble, you can contact Blizzard support for help. Here are some additional tips for troubleshooting WoW. *. Make sure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for WoW. *. Try playing the game in windowed mode. *. Try disabling any add-ons that you are using. *. Try changing the game's graphics settings. *. Try playing the game on a different server. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.